Welcome back. 3 workers died in a landslide at stone quarry in Shirley Cape on Tuesday. Bodies of these 3 workers were trapped under debris till late night on Tuesday. Locals have demanded thorough investigation in the matter.
This incident occurred at around 3 in the afternoon on Tuesday. 3 persons, Janu Shaba Verib, age 19, Suresh Verib, age 22 and Sandeep Gaukar, age 20, working at a stone quarry in Shirley Cape, died in the accident. Sources say that they were working at the site and a landslide occurred from 20 meters height. The bodies were not recovered till late night on Tuesday. All 3 persons are villagers of Shirley Barshe. Locals are annoyed with the incident. They claim that the machineries were moved from the spot as soon as the accident occurred. They have demanded thorough investigation. Our reporter from Cape, Babesh Borkar and Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
Antonio Moraes, a noted writer and director of Khel Theatre, breathed his last on 14 January. Death of Antonio Moraes has left the theatre fraternity with great loss. Antonio was an unbeatable trumpet player with more than 50 Khel Theatres to his credit. Theatre Academy of Goa honoured Antonio with Lifetime Achievement Award in 2010. Final rites on his body were performed on Tuesday.
Antonio Moraes was an excellent trumpet player. He also played drums and bass guitar. Antonio had scripted and directed more than 50 Khel Theatres. Antonio was honoured with Lifetime Contribution Award to the Theatre by Theatre Academy of Goa. He also has 3 Konkani albums, Devatso Gut, Purmalit Fula and Ami Theatris. He was also conferred with Goa State Cultural Award for Music. He received varied other awards by the Directorate of Art and Culture.
Non-stop head theatre and theatre Yem Boroj Boron to music then could upon Boron, Dusre Musgan Gitalo. Chor Borantola Boro Mestrito. And down take died or some Dololo. So, Bori artist and Bori kit and Dakon Togelo. Music kit content and died, musician and Shinkoili. Cantar kit con go up, kit con mood up, and the content and died artist and Dakoile. Chor Borantolo.
The last rites of Antonio were performed on Tuesday at Our Lady of Patrasinia in Banauli. Later, his body was laid to rest at St. John the Baptist Cemetery. Our reporter in Banauli, Savio Dias.
A shop of Bhupesh Interiors was gutted in fire on Monday night at Ravalfond at Margaon. Furniture and other valuable items were burnt to ashes. The owner has claimed loss of 3 to 4 lakh rupees. However, cause of the fire breakout is still uncertain.
Another shop caught fire on Monday at Ravalfond in Margaon. This is the 5th incident within a week in Margaon. An interior shop named Bhupesh Interiors was gutted in fire. Furniture, hardware items and tiles got destroyed. The owner has claimed loss of 4 lakh rupees.
हमारा सारा तरीके से दुश्मनी का हो सकता है और तो कोई नहीं है इधर
शॉर्ट सर्किट
नहीं शॉर्ट सर्किट का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ है बॉक्स है अलग से उसका मीटर का जो है वो अलग बॉक्स है भगवान का मंदिर है वो भी अलग था
सिंगल पीस का कनेक्शन है
सिंगल पीस कनेक्शन
आम्ही समजे पळयले वर येतालो शटर बंद आसले पारे मेरे घालून शटर उक्ते केले आणि इन नो टायम फायर फायटिंग केलें आणि उजो हा केलो पळयल्यार पळोवपाक मेळपाक चान्सीस ना शॉर्ट सर्किट कितें उजो चड आसलो शटर उक्ते केले आणि फाटल्यान आनी फुडल्यान फायर फायटिंग केलें.
Our reporter in Margaon, Savio Dias.
Popular Goan theatrist Antoinette de Kalangut is suffering from advanced kidney failure. The medical treatment for kidney transplant would cost her around 15 lakh rupees. A musical show in aid of Antoinette was held recently in Margaon. Another show will be held at Kala Academy in Panji on 31st January.
Popular Goa theatrist Antoinette de Kalangut has been suffering from advanced kidney failure for past many months. The nephrologist who is currently treating her said that cadaver transplant can relieve the actor from physical pain. The overall cost for the treatment would cost her around 15 lakh rupees. Her husband Bonnie Pereira, who is also a theatrist, along with well-wishers, is organizing various musical shows to raise funds for her treatment. They recently held a show in Margaon. Another show will be held at Kala Academy on 31st January. Let's participate in the musical show to help Antoinette recover from her illness.
आनी इतलो अमावंट हो म्हणजे आतां पावना म्हणजे हात पावना तें ताका मिनिनान म्हाका सुचयलें आनी आपण फुडें सरून सगळे डायरेक्टरांक घेवन जे तियात्र चलयताले तांकां एक सभा घेतली आनी डिफरंट व्यू मांडले कोण कितें करया पयलीं फंड रेजिंग एक्टिविटी कितें करया हाचे वयर मसालास केली आनी तांतल्यान आयज हो म्युजिकल शो जल्माक दिलो म्हणल्यार म्हणजे जाता.
If anybody wishes to donate funds for her treatment, they can deposit money on 114201500243 ICICI Bank, Kolva Branch, Goa. Our reporter in Margao, Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.